everyone, it's Gail Kessler at Ladyfinger Sewing. Guess what? We just got in a new shipment of fabrics. It looks like it is the new Aboriginal shipment that we've been waiting for. So let's get started and see what's in the box. As you know, we stock as much of the wonderful Aboriginal fabrics as we can get a hold of. And I was already told that while this is here now, my next shipment should arrive sometime in early November. So let's go through and see what we have here. This is Gathering Bush Tucker in black, and it's quite wonderful. The colors on these Aboriginal fabrics are just divine. This one is Gathering Bush Tucker in green, and it's a really happy print. Has lots of periwinkle and different colors in it. I think this is going to be thrilling in a lot of your projects. Let's see. Home Country Ash. How cool is that? This has like a light lavender undertone. It's kind of a black and gray print, but it's got a lot of life to it. I think this is going to be, well, I'm making a mask out of that one. Here we go with Gathering Bush Tucker Red. And this one is by Gloria Doolin. We have Gathering Bush Tucker Purple. You notice I kind of gravitated toward these Gathering Bush prints because of the liveliness, the beautiful print job, and the coloring is amazing. This one we've had before in another colorway. This is Dancing Flowers by June Smith. And it speaks for itself, does it not? Okay. Then we have a background fabric, and the folks at M&S Textiles let me know about this. This is a beautiful background print. Very subtle. It's just the right warm shade of beige with little streaks of flying seeds on it. I love this one. And another background, Falling Leaves in Ecru. Speaks for itself again. These are tiny dots of orange and blue, and then kind of a light tan color on an off-white background. Beautiful, beautiful. Fallen Seeds by Gracie Morton. Next is Fresh Life After Rain. Oh my. Look at those beautiful medallions. Wouldn't that be fun to fussy cut? Blue, black, and a goldy tan kind of color. Really pretty, nice large print. Another Christine Doolin work. And here comes a really pretty, oh gosh, what color is this? It's red, but it's not. I love it. It's called Calming Ground. And it's a wonderful color. Just great. Next out of the box, Yummy Orange, perfect for this time of year, called Calming Ground by Charlie. There we go. It has orange, but it also has little notes of pink and black in it. Really pretty. And last one in this box is a really cool kind of a punky putty color, Calming Ground by Charlie again. Notice how different the prints look when they're recolored in different colorways. It completely changes the way a print looks, which I think is always interesting. Okay, that's box number one. Let's see what's in these two guys. And no, I didn't open them up and seal them up again. Somebody asked me that. I said, nah, this is all on the fly, kids. Well, let's see what we have in here. Oh, look, they gave me a list. That's good. Here we have Dream Time. Oh, no. This one is, let me see, Onion Dreaming Black. Another great print to use with all of your quilt projects. All right, next up we have My Country Utopia by Stephen Pitara. Another great black and white print. This one works as a stripe that goes across the crosswise grain. So you're going to have stripes going across from selvage to selvage on this one. Really, really stunning. Oh, I like this guy. This one is Lillup Dreaming Green, and this one is by Karen Bird. How interesting. Very multicolored, everything from a mustard yellow to green, blue, purple, red. Very nice. Okay, next up, this one is Wildflowers After Rain. Now, I don't know about you, but this would be really fun to fussy cut those circles, either to put into hexagons or circles themselves, or cut them in half and use them as a narrow border. Wouldn't that be cool? Really pretty colorway in red and purple, black and white, a little bit of gold. And this one is Onion Dreaming Copper. So watch the name colors when you're shopping online. Sometimes the predominant color is not what they call it. So this one's named copper, but it's really a primarily blue print. So be aware of that as you're shopping. This is gorgeous. This one we've had before, but it sells out really quickly. So this one is Yundumu bush tomato. So some of us just call it bush tomato because that's what we can pronounce. But this is a great border print. Also fun to chop up and put into patchwork or fussy cut for appliques as well. Oh, this is a new one. So this one is called Women's Body Dreaming Black. Now, I think this one will last for all of 5 minutes, so if you want it, you better come and get it. Super multicolored circular print. Absolutely wonderful. And last one in this box is another new one, and this one's called Wild Seed and Waterhole Yellow. Wonderful meadow looking, kind of orangey, kind of goldy, almost a mango color. Really, really stunning. Box number 3, here we go. And then I have a little bonus surprise afterwards too I wanted to share with you, because the 2 other prints I want to share with you are going to go, they probably won't last 24 hours, but anyway. So let's see what's in here. Ooh. We got a really nice variety of color with this shipment of Aboriginal prints, and this one is no exception. Calling it Yalki Green. Now again, the color name may be a little misleading, so be careful and look at the pictures. This is kind of a teal color more so than green. There's green in it, but I wouldn't call it green. But they do, so when you order it, be aware of that. And this is Yalki by June Smith. And if we haven't had it before, we've had something similar. Another wonderful border style print. There's enough going on, you could chop it up into your patchwork as well. Just gorgeous. This one's new. Gathering by the Creek in burgundy. Another stunning print job. This is just amazing. Super beautiful. And, ooh. I think Sarah Bond's got her dibbies on this one. This one's Gathering by the Creek in brown. Look at the white. I can't tell you how hard it is to print detailed white on dark like that. It is a wonderful job. Beautifully done. Okay. And this one I got in again. I'm not sure if I had this color before, but this is Bush Plum in Green. So if you didn't get it before, now's the time. We don't know how long these designs stay in print. As you know, in fabric world, prints don't stay in a line forever, except for maybe Dimples and a couple other blenders. But when it comes to printed designs, they're in and out. So if you like them, don't dawdle. Get them while you can. And this one is a new color. This is Bush Plum in Ecru. Very subtle, very exciting, very sophisticated. Okay. And then finally, we have bushberry. And this is another like little medallions. I'd say they're about 3 inches long. And in shades of gray and black. And then the bonus thing, now this is not Aboriginal, this is local. And I wanted to share it with you while you're watching because you're kind enough to watch our unboxing video. But looky here, I got a bolt of Eagles fabric in, so we got to support our local team. They need support right now. And this is a little bit wider. It's either, it might be 60 inches, it might be 58, I can't quite see. But it's wider than your regular 44-inch wide goods. So grab it while you can. And then I also got in a bolt of Philadelphia Phillies. Okay, these are all available on the website or in the shop, www.ladyfingersewing.com. And I thank you for watching. Have a great day.